Good morning, YouTube. Happy Saturday. It is our Bronco Adventures. It's installation day. We're planning on installing grab bar handles, lighted, from Maybets. I will have a link in the comments, as well as a link to Quick Shifts and Jason, who I really watched his video a couple times to make sure I knew how to do the install. So shout out to Jason at Quick Shifts. As Jason mentioned, comes in a pretty decent box. He has the part number, but you can find these on Maybach and Amazon. That's where I bought them. Very well packaging. Got great instructions here with color photos. Very nice packaging. Extremely sturdy, these guys are. So looking forward to the extra light as well as the extra boost for my bride, who's 5'2". So I'm not going to go through the video showing you the install because Jason did such a great job, but I'll show you the before and after. So as you can see, that's the place for the grab handle in the front, and then in the back, same on the driver passenger side. So looking forward. Okay, so we've been at it for an hour. They say 45 minutes. The hardest part was trying to get this out, and it would have been helpful had at least the Maybach's official site talked about. It looks like the side that I'm facing on the left, which is really on the driver's side, is the one that you stick the tool in, and then the other clip is the thing that secures it to the top. At least that's my... All right, like we said, all in all, except for the dome light, that was kind of a problem. Everything worked out pretty easily. There they are. Tonight I'll show you the finished product at night. Love them. All right, I promised you I'd take a picture at dark so you can see the grab handle lights. Look at that. That is amazing. Because it only comes with that little crappy little dome light, and then there's one in the back there. These things are fantastic. So anyway, YouTube, hope you're enjoying these newbie, look, the lights just went off. Hope you're enjoying these newbie films I'm making. I'm enjoying it. At least I'm enjoying sharing our Bronco adventures with you. So if you are enjoying it, please like it and subscribe. Hopefully I'll get better. You all have a good weekend. Stay safe.